In this video, I will show you how to make trending Instagram flash effect. If you want to make trending flash effect on Instagram story, then the first thing you want to do is launch open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure that you're using the latest version of the app. You want to tap on the Your Story option at the top left corner of your screen. Once you get here, you want to choose a photo from your gallery. Now you want to tap on the pencil icon over here. That is the restyling tool. Select that. Now you want to select the effect of flash. As you can see, there are different effects over here, so you can pick whichever you want, but for this viral trend you want to select the flash one. Once you select that, it will take some time for this effect to be applied. After it has been applied, this is going to be the output. Now if you like this, you can simply tap on the finish option and then post this as your story. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.